Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. My name is Hafiz Perdana and I am currently a student at Lambung Mangkurat University, majoring in Information Technology. I am from 2024 intake and my student identification number is 2410817210027. For today's presentation, I will be talking about a topic that is both fascinating and highly relevant in the field of computer science. That is natural language processing, or NLP for short. As we all know, language is the foundation of human communication, but have you ever wondered how computers are able to understand our language? Whether it's responding to a voice command, translating a sentence, or summarizing a paragraph, that's where NLP comes into play. Throughout this presentation, I will walk you through the definition of NLP, how it has evolved over time, why it's important in today's world, how it works on a technical level, real-life application, and of course, some of the key challenges it still faces. Alright, let's get started by first understanding what NLP actually is. What is natural language processing? Natural language processing, or NLP, is a field that combines computer science, artificial intelligence, and language studies. It helps computers understand, process, and create human language in a way that makes sense and is useful. With the growing amount of text data from social media, websites, and other sources, NLP is becoming a key tool to gain insights and automate tasks like analyzing text or translating language. NLP's evolution. First, early days, rule-based systems relied on manually coded linguistic rules, rigid and limited. Second, statistical and machines learning. That is, models learn patterns from data, offering more adaptability. Third, deep learning. Present neural networks and the transformer architecture revolutionize contextual understanding, led to powerful large language model like LLMs, for example GPT and Gemini, capable of advanced generation and comprehension. Why is NLP important today? Because NLP has massive text data. The NLP handles the immense volume of unstructured text data generated daily, like social media, emails, or news. And there is automates communication, powers chatbots, and virtual assistants for instant support and efficiency. Also, there is breaks language barriers, enables real-time machine translation for global communication, enhance user experience that improves search engines and recommendation system by understanding intent. Also, the last is extract business insights, analyze vast text datasets for customer feedback, market trends, and fraud detection. How NLP works? First, text processing and pre-processing. There is a tokenization that dividing text into smaller units such as words or sentence, stemming and lemmatization, reducing words to their base or root forms. Stop word removal. Removing common words like and, the, is that may not carry significant meaning. Text normalization. Standardizing text, including case normalization, removing punctuation, and correcting spelling errors. 2. Syntax and parsing. Part of speech or POS staging, assigning parts of speech to each word in a sentence, for example, noun, verb, adjective. Dependency parsing, analyzing the grammatical structure of a sentence to identify relationships between words. Constituency parsing, breaking down a sentence into its constituent parts or process, for example, noun process, verb process. 3. Semantic analysis, name entity recognition or NAR, identifying and classifying entities in text such as names of people, organizations, locations, dates, and other. Word sense disambiguation, determining which meaning of a word is used in a given context. Covariance resolution, identifying when different words refer to the same entity in a text. For example, he refers to John. 4. Information extraction, entity extraction, identifying specific entities and their relationships within the text. Relation extraction, identifying and categorizing the relationship between entities in a text. 5. Text classification in NLP, sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment or emotional tone expressed in a text, for example, positive, negative, or even neutral. Topic modeling, identifying topics or themes within a large collection of documents. Spam detection, classifying text as spam or not spam. 6. Language generation, machine translation, translating text from one language to another. Text summarization, producing a concise summary of a larger text. Text generation, automatically generating coherent and contextually relevant text. 7. Speech processing, speech recognition, converting spoken language into text. Text-to-speech synthesis, converting written text into spoken language. 8. Question answering, retrieval-based QA, finding and returning the most relevant text passage in response to a query. Generative QA, generating an answer based on the information available in a text corpus. 9. Dialogue systems, chatbots and virtual assistants, enabling systems to engage in conversation with users, providing response and performing tasks based on user input. 10. Sentiment and emotion analysis in NLP, emotion detection, identifying and categorizing emotions expressed in text. Opinion mining, analyzing opinions or reviews to understand public sentiment toward products, services, or topics. Next, there is practical application of NLP. First, there is a machine translation, for example, Google Translate, and virtual assistants and chatbots, for example, Siri, Alexa, customer service bots. Sentiment analysis, determining emotional tone from text, for example, customer reviews, social media. Text summarization, automatically condensing long documents. Automated content generation, AI writing articles, emails, or marketing copy. Search engine and recommendation systems, for example, Google Search, Netflix recommendations. Key challenges in NLP. First, ambiguity. Words or sentences having multiple meanings depending on context. Contextual understanding. Difficulty grasping nuances like sarcasm, irony, or implicit meanings. Data bias. Models can learn and perpetuate societal biases present in training data, leading to unfair outputs. Lack of common sense. LLMs LLMs may hallucinate incorrect information because they lack true real-world understanding. Language variation. Handling dialect, slang, and evolving language. Conclusion. The essence of natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a vital field within artificial intelligence that empowers computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Its evolution from rigid rule-based systems to sophisticated deep learning models like large language model (LLMs) has revolutionized how we interact with technology. NLP is now crucial for processing the immense volume of digital text data, driving applications such as machine translation, virtual assistants, sentiment analysis, and automated content generation. Despite its rapid advancements, NLP still faces significant challenges like ambiguity, through contextual understanding, and data bias. Addressing this ethical consideration is paramount for its responsible development. Ultimately, NLP is a transformative technology, continually bridging the gap between human communication and computational power, making our digital world more intelligent and intuitive. Alright, so to wrap up this presentation, natural language processing is not just a technical topic, it's something that is already shaping how we live and interact with technology, from simple features like autocorrect and chatbots to more complex systems like real-time translation and AI-generated content. NLP is everywhere around us. We have seen how NLP has evolved from rule-based systems to today's advanced deep learning models like GPT. We also explore how it works, its real-world application, and the challenges we still need to overcome, such as ambiguity, bias, and context understanding. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. If there are any questions or anything you'd like to discuss, just comment, just drop it in the comment section on YouTube. Thank you for watching.